Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Artlist in Final Cut Pro for consistent loudness, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open Final Cut Pro on your device. Next, locate the project where you want to update your audio settings. Once your project is open, navigate to the timeline. Click on the audio clip from Artlist that you want to adjust. In the top right corner, find the Audio Inspector. Open the Audio Inspector to access the audio settings. Look for the loudness meter within the Audio Inspector. Take note of the current loudness level shown on the meter. If it's not within the desired range, you'll need to make adjustments. Next, click on the audio waveform to highlight the entire clip. Go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Select Audio Effects from the drop-down menu. Choose an appropriate audio effect to normalize the loudness. Drag and drop the effect onto your audio clip in the timeline. After applying the effect, check the loudness meter again. Adjust the effect settings in the inspector to achieve consistent loudness. It may take a few attempts to find the perfect balance. Always play back the audio after making adjustments. Listen carefully to ensure it blends well with other audio in your project. Once satisfied, you can save your project. Finally, export your project to finalize the updates made to the audio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.